Now, when you're building a set of stairs, it can be a little intimidating for some homeowners, but the basic thing you need to know is you need nice, comfortable stairs to go from this level down to the lower level. That starts with determining the height of the drop. In this case, we're right at 62, 63 inches. Now, for a safe set of stairs, they don't need to exceed more than 7 or 8 inches. If you divide 7 inches into that 62 or 63, you're talking about 9 steps. Now, for a step being around a foot, that means we're going to have to project out 9 feet in order to get the type of steps that we're looking for here. That'll actually exceed the outside dimensions of the deck, which isn't any problem at all. Now, this is one set of stairs. Over here, they've already started working on this part of it with the foundation here, and this may even be an extra step on this one because this is a little higher on this side. Now, building a set of steps like this is really not that hard. Let's take you through the whole process a step at a time. The stringers are created by making a series of cuts into a 2x12 at 90-degree angles to each other. The rise of each step, as I mentioned earlier, is determined by the height of the landing, but you'll have a little more flexibility on the tread lengths. Now here we want them to accommodate 2 5/4 by 6-inch deck boards per step. So we're cutting the treads around 10 inches to leave a little overhang or nosing. However, the most important thing is that all of the risers are the same height and that all of the treads are the same length. Now, a little digging is necessary at the bottom of this stairway to create a level landing so that we can test fit the first stringer before using it as a pattern to cut all the others. At the top, the stringers rest on a 2x2 ledger board and are nailed to the deck's band joist. At the bottom, they're nailed to a 6x6 in our leveled trench. The riser faces are covered with a piece of 1x8, while several equal lengths of the 5/4 inch decking are cut for the treads. If the tread boards have any cup to them, it's best to attach them with the curve facing down to avoid any possible tripping hazard.